If your PS5 controller is having any kind of issues, glitches, not working properly, then I recommend resetting it. How do we reset the PS5 controller? Well, all we have to do is simply turn it around, and then as you can see, there are two holes. Now, be careful. Um, we're going to need a pin like this, and this is one of those SIM card pins for your phone where you poke it in, and then the SIM card slot comes out. So you can use whatever pin. I recommend not too sharp. Go ahead, and all you have to do is put it in this hole, and then we're going to press down for 5 seconds. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we should see something that says DualSense wireless controller disconnected. It's currently resetting. So once it does reset, let's see how long it takes. I put quite fast. It reset it. All I had to do is push the PS5. The PS button right here, and now you have a reset controller. And so if you had update issues or anything like that, it should now be working. All right, guys. I hope this video helps. Please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.